it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. Today is my favorite time of the week. It's Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And our host is Sunday Dawn. Please check out her channel and the playlist of all the amazing creators in this collaboration. Today, we are going to be working on my living room. My husband he left for work and he left the living room kind of a dumping ground. Yeah, I think this episode could be my episode of hoarders. For real. We have listed our camper for sale, and he's brought a lot of things in from the camper. A lot of things just needs to get put away. I mean, so many things that just needs put away. He even found a suitcase out there from the last time we went camping that's never got unpacked. So we have a lot of things we got, and of course it's here in my living room. We have a lot of things we have to get cleaned up, put away, and just straighten this living room out. So here we go. Okay, we're going to start by putting away decor that I have here that I am not going to use for the fall or Halloween. This is some stuff from Halloween, but I can always pick it up when I'm ready. Okay. This is just for recycling. I can put this in the recycler. We're going to work on stuff that needs to go to be put away in the hall closet. Next, our little carry-on. These 2 umbrellas. This needs to go in the bathroom, so let's see what else. Some puppy toys. Those need to go with the puppy stuff, which is right there by the hall closet. An organizer. Another puppy thing. This needs to be washed, so this needs to go to the laundry room. Put that there to take it when I go. Put the dog's harnesses away. This goes with my cleaning supplies, which is in the laundry room. More cleaning supplies, trash. I don't know what this is. That might be a surprise. I don't know what this is. Halloween pumpkins. So this would go in the extra bedroom. More trash. I guess I can use this bag. Start putting trash in it. a suitcase, and who knows what's in this thing. Oh, nice pair of my husband's jeans. Oh wow, I wonder where my other dress went. I'm gonna put that aside. I can put that in the laundry. These two. Another one of my dresses. Here's where all my dresses went. Oh wow, a bunch of my earrings. I may put this aside to look at it. There's where all my earrings and stuff went. This goes in the garage. This will go in the hall closet. Here's where all my headbands went. Guess I can put those away in the bathroom. This stuff can go back in here and go to the laundry. Okay, the crazies are here now. Okay, let's pick up some trash. See what things we can throw in the trash. Not this one, though. This can go. This can go in the trash. Oh, Trixie. This was from a tripod that it ended up being left on vacation. This can go in the bathroom. Oops, I missed it. Trash. See what else we can take to the bathroom. This can go to the bathroom. That's burn salve. The sunscreens can go back to the bathroom. And we'll gather this stuff up and it can go back to the bathroom. Now I just have some few odds and ends. And some more trash. I have a few just odds and ends things and that's it. We only got a small bag of trash. Now that clean out and organized. Let's get the end table cleaned up. These are going to the laundry room. I'm gonna wash these up.